Which brings me to my next topic. Every agent has a purpose except Vice. What the hell is that agent? Sobrang walang
Vice.
kwenta. Okay, first of all, di ba? I'm gonna be the dean naman dito sa ano na to, sa usapan na to. First of all, you have a wall. The purpose of a wall in the dictionary is to prevent anyone from passing. So tell me, why does Vice have a wall that only goes up when someone passes through it? Napaka stupid nung concept in a sense na okay, yes, it works as an anti-flank na parang oh, if there's like more than one person going through the trip, only one person gets through and then nabablock yung second. Yeah, okay, sure. Pero what how does it help? What makes it better than a cipher trip or a killjoy alarm bot or a turret, di ba? Or a chamber trip or even a deadlock wall there. What sets it apart?
I'm
Tapos
gonna have to
ah,
sige, sorry. I thought you're done.
sige. Tapos wait lang ah. Tapos yung ano niya, yung thorns niya. Okay, you get hurt when you're moving, pero they're so visible kahit sa kalaban to the point na you can just shoot them. And since yung kuwari, may vice na nakaset up sa site, you can see where the wall is placed. And then you can see far ahead, nandun nakalagay yung mga spikes, you can shoot it from that far away. Na kahit i-pass through the wall, you can move freely kasi wala na siyang spikes. And then, ano pa ba nasakit niya? Yung blind niya, which if you're gonna use it offensively, you're gonna put it through a wall, and then you're gonna press it again para mag-flash. Like, maganda siya defensively, pero offensively, napakapangit niya. Kasi,
Oh,
you have
limited.
all the time in the world to react to it.
Right.
Yung ult niya is okay in the sense, parang, oh, I can't use my gun, and it can help. It's like Sage in a way na you have to pick the right moments when to use it. Kasi if you're gonna just use it, just to use it, people just wait it out, di ba? Pero if it's a tight situation, na kuwari, retake, few minutes, few seconds left, you have to move, maganda siya. Yun nga,
Mhm.
it's not a very effective skill as much as it's not a very flexible and effective uh, ultimate as a Sage Rest. And then, kumari. So I really think that Vice is just uh, a waste of an agent, in my opinion. Pero kayo, ano ba? Ano ba opinion niyo?
For me, okay, let's talk about yung sinabi mo sa wall ni
Ah,
Vice. In terms of anti-flank, it's fine. It does its job, di ba? You're alerted that someone is flanking, which
mm,
is the job of an anti-flank. As a killjoy main, yung anti-flank ko, meron range, di ba?
mm,
So yun yung mahirap for me. I need to always keep in mind na nasa in range dapat ako sa anti-flank ko.
mm,
Vice doesn't have that problem. She can go anywhere within the map and naka-active pa rin yung ano niya, activated pa rin yung trip niya na yon, yung kanyang wall.
mm,
And let's not talk about it as an anti-flank for one ano. Let's talk about it as something that you put in the site
mm,
to prevent entry,
mm,
to counter the entry. I really think na sobrang powerful ng wall na yan. Dahil it separates the team pushing, it separates that one teammate na naunang mag-push. Hence, wala namang titrade sa kanya. It's basically a 1v how many man yung nasa site doon sa site na yon. So it's very powerful kasi no more chance to trade, no more
mm,
chance to kill. So the numbers game is a 1v something na. And I think, honestly, I'm not sure kung paano mo yun ika-counter. I have seen parang some tricks na may mga nakikita akong plays na parang they are able to activate that wall without actually entering the site. Which I don't know how to do that. I don't know if it's doable sa lahat ng circumstances or if it's just a certain place na pwede siyang magawa.
mm. Ikaw din, ano opinion mo sa Vice?
Vice, Vice. So, yung isang ability niya, wall.
Mm,
Yung isa, flash.
mm.
Yung isa,
Thorns.
turns. Yung turns na yun, parang i-place mo tas activate or parang
Place mo, tas
Mali.
activate.
place?
Yeah.
Parang swarm.
Mm.
Pero mas malaki sa swarm.
Mm.
Tas ulti. Alam niyo ba kung kasing laki ng ulti niya yung ulti ni Harbor?
Parang ganun nga.
Parang ganun. Medyo neutral ako eh. Kasi parang yung maganda sa kanya. Ayoko yung swarm. Ayoko yung thorns niya. Parang sobrang useless na.
Mhm.
Kasi parang sobrang tagal ng may Mali, sobrang tagal ng may swarm. Nasanay na lahat ng players kung paano maglaro pag may swarm.
Mm.
Maganda yung flash. Yung flash kasi parang, although kita mo siya from afar, there's a lot of chances to have outplays. Kasi if you know how to position your flash, kunwari nakatago sa isang corner or nakatago sa wall after default, you can easily flash enemies without them even knowing na may flash pala dun.
Mm.
Yung wall, I don't like the wall. I think it's pretty useless. Kasi ang dami ko nang na-counter na wall ng Vice. Simply by,
Yung jump.
Jumping. yeah, it's if Valorant can make it so that players can't do that, wherein players can't do that and nothing else can activate the wall other than players crossing it, then it's gonna be very overpowered. Her ult though, 50-50 ako sa ult niya. Because like, yes, it's big. Yes, maraming pwedeng ma-apektuhan. But the numerous times that I get affected by Vice ult, I still get to kill 1 or 2 people.
Mm.
Because she doesn't take away the secondary. I still have a gun. So if the player is good enough, it's not really a threat to have Vice ult affect you. So if you know how to play against Vice is one of those agents that is very easy to counter or
Mm.
play around. Unlike, let's say, Raze or Cypher, wherein no matter what you try to do, there will always be something that you can't really stop. So, Vice, it's like a 5 out of 10 for me.
Pero still better than Sage para sa'yo.
Definitely.
Okay, pero okay. I like the opinions. Laro ba tayo Valorant after this recording?
Depends.
Yeah, sure.
Are you up for the challenge?
Oo naman. Gusto kong gumamit ng Sage eh.
Yeah.
Pass ka bigla.
Kaso mag-unrated, no? Mag-unrated.
Unrated lang tayo.
Pero,
Nakarank up ko lang kasi.
wala. Siyempre, we'll play it properly.